Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the review and first look at the all-new 2019 Volkswagen Passat. This is the airline model, looks very nice, but let's go through all the details that are new on this facelifted version. So first of all, we have the IQ Matrix LED headlights. They have a different shape now, and I love this, lighting looks very cool, especially during the night. Then this part here is also new. So the new grille is inspired by the bigger Volkswagen Touareg, and in this airline trim looks very nice, but you can also have it in full black, depends on what you like. This is the way it looks from the front. Then moving on to the side, you have a new design of the wheels. Those here are very nice. I do believe they are 19 inch. Yeah, they are 19-inch wheels, but they have other options from 17 to 19-inch ones. Let's look at the back and see what's new at the back. Okay, so here it is. What's new? This is new. So the new 3D shape of the tail lights, but the rest of it pretty much the same. You do get the letters Passat here, and also the exhaust are actually new but still fake. So what's new in the interior? Well, we'll see that in a moment. Okay, so let's jump inside. I'm gonna show you what's new. So there's a new digital dashboard in front of me, and as Volkswagen says, it's got better brightness, better colors. Then you have the home screen here, and the good thing is that now there's a new infotainment system, and it actually has the voice commands. So all you need to say is "Hello Volkswagen," and it responds to your needs, so you can probably do the AC or stuff like that, navigation guidance, so on. So makes your life easier, something that other manufacturers are also now doing. So it's cool to see it also here in the new Passat. I love the fact that they changed the steering wheel. It looks much better than the previous one. Of course, you have some decent materials here. One thing that you will notice is there's no more classic clock here. It just says Passat. And how will the bars react to that? I don't know, but I think it's the same. The air vents go all the way here. I love these seats that come with airline in the interior. Of course this is the automatic DSG dual clutch gearbox, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it inside. So once again, better screen here, new infotainment system, voice commands, and some slight changes to the exterior. Tell me what you guys think about this. I will go outside now. And yeah, well, that's it guys. The first look at the 2019 Volkswagen Passat. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more car reviews, and see you on the next one. Bye from Geneva.